So now we're going to be dividing whole numbers by whole numbers, but within a word problem. So we may need to interpret the remainder. Each poster on Amazon sells for $12. The total amount of money spent on posters was $2,556. How many posters were sold? Well, I know I'm dividing, so I'm going to set up my problem, 2,556, and I'm going to divide by 12. 12 is a pretty big divisor, so I'm going to write my multiples to the left. I know 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 4 is 48. And 12 times 5 is 60. I can stop here, and if I need to add more multiples on, I can later. If you aren't sure what 12 times 5 is, like some of those higher ones, just add 12 to the number beforehand. So let's see, we have 2,000 blocks. Well, we can't split 2,000 blocks between 12 groups. So I'm going to look at my hundreds. We have 25 hundredths. Well, I can split 25 hundredths blocks into 12 groups. I'm going to look at my multiples. I see 24 is my closest multiple that doesn't go over 25. So 24 is my first, second multiple. I'm going to write 2 over here. But 12 times 2 is 24. And I wanted 24 hundredths. So I'm going to be multiplying by 200. 12 times 200 is 24 hundredths. There we go. So now we're going to subtract. 6 minus 0 is 6. 5 minus 0 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. So we have 156. I have 100s block, but I can't split that between 12 groups. So I'm going to look at my tens. I have 15 tens rectangles. So 15 tens rectangles can be split into 12 groups. I'm going to look into my multiples. I see 12 is my closest multiple to 15 without going over. 12 is my first multiple, so I'm going to put 1 over here. 12 times 1 is 12, and I was looking for 12 tens, so I actually need to be multiplying by 10. 12 times 10 is 120, or 12 tens. I'm going to subtract, and I get 36 left over. Well, let me see. 3 tens rectangles can't be split into 12 groups, but 36 ones can be split into 12 groups. I'm going to look at my multiples. Oh, wow, 36 is a multiple. It is my first, second, third multiple of 12. So I'm going to put 3 over here. 12 times 3 is 36. I'm going to subtract, and I have none left. I'm at 0, so I know I'm done dividing. I'm going to add this up. 20 plus 10 plus 3, 200 times 10 plus 3 is 213. Remainder 0. 213 represents the number of posters sold, so I know that 213 posters were sold.